Hi, it's Miss Nikki.
Hi, it's Jovee.
I have a friend over, Miss Jovee. I'm so excited. I have a toy that I've been playing with, and it's this glow-in-the-dark Nido, and it was so fun to play with, except for I popped a little hole in it. So I stopped playing with it so that I can cut it up and see what's inside of it. And we're gonna maybe try to do some slime, see if we can make some slime. So I'm gonna cut this and then right in the bowl, and I'm gonna have Jovee hold her hands out so she can tell us what it feels like, okay? All right, Jovee, what does it feel like?
What do you do? Squish it?
Yeah, do it over the bowl. What do you feel like?
It feels like the shaving cream.
It's like shaving
It
cream?
feels just like shaving cream, but more hard, like shaving cream.
It looks like...
It smells like...
Does it smell good?
No, it smells like just salt.
Yeah, it kind of looks like mashed potatoes even.
Yeah.
That is kind of weird. Alright, so we're going to see if we can make this into slime. Let's see. Alright, first thing we're going to do glue. Do you want to do the glue, Jovee?
Yeah.
Okay, squirt it in there. Or squish it in there. There you go.
Same color as the weird stuff.
I have glitter glue, but I'm not sure if it works. This stuff kind of doesn't work. I got the generic, and it doesn't work very well when we did it last time. And I had a lot of stuff too, so I thought the real glue would be good. The glitter glue, the Elmer's glitter glue is really good. I think. It works really good. Jovee got my first one I ever made. I didn't make a video of it.
And
It was rainbow.
and she just got this new spanking.
Yep. Alright, go ahead and start mixing. Mix it all up. Try some of this.
Shaving cream. Smells good.
Yeah, I was like, smell good.
Now it's kind of forming together.
Is it? Alright.
Yeah, it's really forming together now. It's gonna be a nice bowl of slime. It's good exercise. Shaving cream helps everything.
Still kind of sticky.
Yeah.
We won't eat it. Happens with girls and dogs around. Huh? It's getting really hot. I'll put it on the placemat here and see if it's ready to go. Seems to be kind of pretty well
Can I do it
formed.
with my hands?
Yeah, I want to. It shouldn't be too sticky out there.
Nope. I like it. It's not really oh, it actually is really stretchy. It's like whenever you squeeze it, it's like, but you can't really like, but it's still really good size. You want to tap it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. It's like the best homemade slime I've ever done.
It's like fluffy.
Yeah, that was quicker too.
Yeah.
There you go. We made slime.
Out of that yucky stuff.
Yeah, whatever that was. We
You
made slime.
squeeze
out
it
of
like that.
Awesome. Thank you, Jovee, for coming over and making slime with me. I had fun. Have a good day.